To unhide columns in Google Sheets, look for the small double arrows that appear between the visible column letters where a hidden column exists. That arrow icon is the fastest direct way to bring a hidden column back. Open Google Sheets in your browser, make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the file, and then open the specific spreadsheet that contains the hidden columns you need to recover. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to edit the sheet, so double check that your profile icon appears in the top right corner before you proceed. This task is a common frustration when working with shared spreadsheets, because team members sometimes collapse columns to tidy up the view, and you need that data back for your analysis. If this guide helps you save time, please like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Once your spreadsheet is open, scan across the column headers. Those are the letters A, B, C, and so on at the very top of each column. A hidden column isn't completely gone, it's just collapsed so that its width becomes 0. The visual clue is a missing letter in the sequence. For example, if you see columns A, B, and then D, you know column C is hidden. In the space between the B and D column headers, you'll notice two small parallel arrows pointing outward, like a tiny left and right arrow icon. That icon appears automatically whenever a column is hidden, and it's your shortcut. Hover your cursor over it until the pointer changes, then click once. The hidden column will instantly slide back into view, and the data inside it will become fully visible. This method is precise and requires only one click, so it's ideal when you know exactly which column is missing. But what if you don't see those arrows? Sometimes the hidden column is at the very edge of the sheet, or the arrow icon can be hard to spot if you're working with a large spreadsheet. In that case, use the alternative method. Select the columns on both sides of the hidden column. You do this by clicking the letter of the column to the left, holding down your mouse or trackpad, and dragging across to the column letter on the right. For example, if column C is hidden and you see B and D, click the B header, hold and drag to D so that both B and D are highlighted. You'll see a blue or grey highlight covering those two columns. Now, right-click anywhere on the highlighted column headers. A context menu will open. Look for an option that says Unhide Columns. It might be near the top of the menu, but if the spreadsheet is busy or has many columns, scroll down slightly. Click that option and the hidden column will reappear. There is a common pitfall here. If you accidentally click only one column header instead of selecting the range, the Unhide Columns option will not appear. You need both neighboring columns selected. Also, if there are multiple hidden columns in a row, the context menu might say Unhide Columns in the plural. Clicking it will bring back all of them at once. That can be a time saver, but it can also surprise you if you only intended to restore one. So, be aware that selecting a wider range can unhide several columns in one go. Once you click the option, watch as the hidden column materializes. The data will appear fully intact, including any text, numbers, formulas, or formatting that was there before. Take a moment to scroll across your worksheet to confirm the column has been restored and that none of the content got shifted or corrupted. Sometimes, when a column is hidden for a long time, conditional formatting rules or data validation might behave oddly, so a quick visual check ensures everything is normal. If your spreadsheet has multiple hidden columns scattered throughout, repeat the same process for each one. You can tackle them one by one using the arrow click method for speed, or select a large block of columns and choose Unhide Columns to restore them all simultaneously. For advanced users, there is also a keyboard shortcut. After selecting the neighboring columns, you can press Alt plus Shift plus 0 on Windows or Option plus Shift plus 0 on Mac to unhide. That shortcut works in some older versions of Sheets, but it's not always supported, so the right-click method is more reliable. Once all your hidden columns are back, you can continue editing your spreadsheet as usual. The column is now accessible for sorting, filtering, or entering new data. A good best practice is to check if the column was hidden for a reason. Maybe it contains sensitive information or intermediate calculations that a coworker preferred to keep out of sight. Restoring it is fine, but be mindful of your spreadsheet's intended layout. You have successfully unhidden columns in Google Sheets, and that data is now right where you need it. If you ever need to hide a column again, just right-click its header and choose Hide Column. Bookmark this video or revisit these steps anytime you encounter a missing column. It's a simple fix that saves a lot of head scratching. Thanks for watching and happy working with your data.